Okay, I'm filming. Hi!
Hey!
What's going on here today?
We're freezing out here today.
Pouring concrete.
Pouring concrete footings. They're all done.
Alright, let's go take a look.
We just poured 14
Now we're waiting on the
footings.
cleanup crew to finish cleaning up.
Oh, look how cute! Oh my gosh, this is so precious! This is adorable! Okay, what you're seeing there is the 4th generation joining in the fun. Hi guys, how are you? So, what, do we have to wait for another truck to come?
No.
What's going on?
We're all done. We got the footings all poured. Monday afternoon we pour the slab.
Okay, so what was this leftover?
We had a little leftover concrete, so we lost it in the pouring.
Very cool.
And now we're on cleanup detail.
And we can see that. It's going rather well. Whoa! So this house is already sold, and we're eager to get this lovely homeowner in her home. Her house has arrived and it'll be put in place when you propose.
In about a week it should be on the lot. And we're hoping to get it all done by maybe the very beginning of May.
Very nice.
We have lots of helpers today.
What a fun day. Give me a call at 732-969-0600 or text me at 732-874-2952 and I will email you. So email is probably the best. I send a very, very thorough informational email to all of our people so they know who we are, what the process is, and what we're selling. And that info at dolanhomes.com is the email. Info at dolanhomes.com. Because no matter how you call me or text me, I'm going to ask for your email in the end. And that's how we first start. Thank you for stopping in again.